Let's talk about our favorite coin, XRP. XRP is right now sitting at sorry, I just covered Bitcoin. It's sitting at $2.78, and XRP is getting a bit tricky. I'll explain it to you in a bit. Why do I mean tricky? But if we talk about XRP on a short term first, then we will get to the trickery part. On short term, if you look at XRP looks bullish. I'll show it to you. Just a second. On 4 hours, you can see that it did make an attempt towards $3. It missed it by a very little. But if you look at this candle structure, this is on 4 hours, okay? And still it is pretty aggressive the way it has gone up. So from that perspective, it shows that the overall momentum and bullishness of XRP, it is pretty high. But what really matters for us is the area of 2.6. This has been an area that we have talked about a lot over and over again. And if we look at it on weekly, this is the neckline of this 1 and this 2, this double bottom structure. It is the neckline, and the neckline, it is at $2.6, as you can see. So what we're seeing here, I mean, almost it went to $3. This is the deliverance on this double bottom structure. If it had hit $3, we wouldn't be talking about 3 anymore. It went up to, what's the price? 2.975. I mean, it just fucking missed it by 3 cents, less than 3 cents. It's 2.5 cents. But it missed. But the thing is that now XRP totally relies on 2.6. 2.6 is the most important area for XRP right now, because it has closed one candle above the 2.6. Second candle is in action. I am going to assume that it will close above 2.6 as well, which is today's candle. Then we will have 2 daily closings above 2.6 that will give us assurance that, okay, now 2.6 is turning into a good support area, and we will keep on singing songs towards $3. Right now it's sitting at 2.78, but we would be expecting it to go and hit $3 as long as 2.6 is intact. And of course, I see some people commenting and saying that XRP towards $4, $5, stuff like that. I think that once you go above 3, pretty much anything can happen. Not that I'm going to sell you $10 of XRP, but I'm saying that if you are stretching me towards $4 or $5, I'll pretty much agree to it. I will say, okay, yeah, that is possible. But we'll talk about that once we conquer $3. If it is not conquering $3, it pretty much relies on 2.6 as the most important support area. And if it loses it, I'll come back and I'll let you know that are we heading to 2.3 or a direct drop towards $2. Volume disappears in weekend. Do keep that in mind. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.